Today, I'm going to make this one short and sweet for you. Sweet being the key word. Go to the store and pick you up a 2-pack of pork tenderloins. Not much to work do here. Just take off any unwanted shoe leather and get it out of your way. Shouldn't take but a second. Then we're going to get it rubbed down with a good AP, and Mississippi Grit's one of the best out there. If you don't have any, use salt and pepper. Get her to the side. Let's make up a little sauce. Get you 8 ounces maple syrup, some fancy mustard, and preferably a spoon that you can use. Anyway, put you about 3 tablespoons of that down in there. Then a little tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and the best hot sauce you can buy. Put as much as you want, little as you want, and get you a sprig of rosemary, baby. Let's give her a good stir, stick her in there. Let's get her on the grill. Now set up your grill with a hot side and a not so hot side and throw everything on. Now we're going to let these tenderloins grill about 3 to 4 minutes aside. Just get a little color. And a tenderloin, even though it's a little round, it's got 4 sides. So make sure that you get all 4 of them. When it gets a good little color, let's move her over here to the not so hot side. And we're going to baste these with this maple sauce. Let's say about every minute until that internal reaches 140 degrees. And 140 degrees is safe. So don't be scared. Here I'm going to show it off a little bit because it is pretty. Now, all you got to do is slice it. Sneak you a bite. Oh man, is this good. Give her another little dose, a bite. All you got to do now, go whip you up a little serving of waffles and have yourself a meal. Love you guys. I'm out.